you, Mr. Mayor, for your presentation. Good job. I just wanted to make a couple reference points. You know, we've been dealing with the discussion talking about possible de-annexation pieces, and I know that Chairman Conrad put together a committee to explore the discussion of possibilities of what could happen if we reduce our footprint. But I just want us to be cognitive of what you said. You said want to be good stewards. We've had population loss, but we've had an increase in revenue. The one point that I want to make is that I would prefer us to be frugal with taxpayers' money instead of just because we're in a time of plenty, don't go and overextend ourselves. And it's just one of those things with me when I'm looking at certain items within our budget. And I know we're going to have those budget discussions, but I just wanted to just make sure that we're cognitive of it, because I'll bring them up when I look at from 2014 overall executive staff versus 2017 proposed executive staff. And on top of that, when we look at some of the salaries in comparison from the executive level, in comparison what they are now. And I know when you were on the council, we voted on budget last year. That was one of your pet peeves with the previous administration, because you were like, government needs to be efficient and needs to be small. So I just wanted to put that in your mind, and we can talk about it a little later. So I just wanted to just let you know that, but I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Councilman.